Welcome back, guys. So to use slides appropriately on Google Slide, I want you to come to Gemini to create an outline first. So you're going to use Gemini to create an outline first. Unlike every other presentation or slide generation tool, Gemini will not create the full slide for you. It only creates slides for you, slide by slide. So that way you get to put more human input into your slide, then use Gemini to assist yourself. So here is Google Gemini, and I want to create a slide. I could have created a gem that could outline slides for me, or what my slides content should be about. So let's say I want to I want to create a pitch deck about a student's body app made for students of Covenant University. Okay, university. Create an outline for the slides for me, and the prompts I could use to generate each slides on Google Slides. Okay, so let's have something like this. For instance, Covenant University, of course, is COV. So sorry for the typing error. So here we have this. I'm going to have this sent. So we're going to create an outline first. The outline is what we're going to come use here. So you're going to see how we're going to use it. Make sure you clear your history right here. And if you had created gems for creating slide outline, you could have gotten that here as well. But I had to come to Gemini first and try to create our outline. So I would say I don't want it in tabular form. I don't want it in tabular form. Okay, so let's have it not in tabular form so we can see how to go about it. So here you have the title slide which says the CU compass. Then you have AI content generation prompt, so it says generate content for a pitch deck, title slide, app name, CU compass, and everything. So you have your prompts for every slide. So we're going to go on to implement those prompts into the slide using Gemini. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to utilize that. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.